Our breakfast recipe today is omelette with toast. And for omelette, main ingredient is onion, and one medium size onion we have taken and finely chopped. In this, variety of things can be added to make it nutritious and make this omelette very nutritious. But we are having whatever is available at hand. We are having only onion and green chilies, so we are going with onion and green chilies to make a simple omelette. And now we have taken 5 chopped green chilies and added to the chopped onion for to make it a mixture, and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger we have taken, and now we have to mix it thoroughly thoroughly well and keep it aside. Now you can also add chopped coriander as much as you want. It will be very tasty, but it wasn't available, so we are skipping chopped coriander. And we are having omelette with toast. For that we are preparing the toast and with a little bit of butter. So we have taken brown bread, and we have taken little bit butter and added to it to make a toast. Simple toast with omelette and coffee or tea, whatever is your choice. And so this was breakfast, as it was very delicious. And this dish is very nutritious, and it is rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and contains vitamin A, 20% of vitamin A. And now you have to add 2 teaspoon mustard oil in the onion mixture, and you need to add half teaspoon salt as per your taste, and half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder. And we are making it a little bit spicy today, so we are going for adding spices in it. So we are adding half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon zira powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. It is choice is yours. You can skip these spices also if you want simple omelette. You need not have to go for the spices. We are adding it because today we want to go for spicy omelette today. That's why spices we are adding. Just for our this thing choice, you can skip it. Now we have added the spices powder, garam masala powder, and all we have added now, and now it's ready. It's the time to add eggs in it. So we have taken 2 eggs. You can take 1 egg also. Choice is yours. So we have added 2 eggs in this mixture, and now mix it well and thoroughly. You have to mix it thoroughly. You have to keep on mixing it 3 to 4 minutes, and after that it is ready to fry now. And coming to this thing, egg, it contains lot of 20% vitamin A, 40% riboflavin, and 25% pantothenic acid, and 45% vitamin B12, 25% phosphorus, and 11% zinc, and 15% vitamin D. Also it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So what else? This was better option to add in our breakfast diet, especially when you are having kids or children at home. Then for them, this, if you are adding this, means in the balance, to maintain a balanced diet, this is the best option. And now we have this thing, mixed it thoroughly. Now it's time to fry this or heat it, or fry this omelette. And for that you have to take one pan, and we are adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds to make it little bit tasty. You can skip this also. You can simply go for adding oil directly into the pan. So we are adding oil now in the pan. We have taken mustard oil. We are adding it and heating the pan now. So once the pan is heated, now you have to add the omelette, so that it is well cooked and thoroughly prepared. The pan is heated now, and the omelette, now it's time for the omelette to add in this container, so that it is thoroughly cooked and prepared. So after adding this omelette, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. once it is cooked thoroughly, now you have to change the side of the omelette so that the other side also is thoroughly and well cooked, and from everywhere it is well cooked. And this dish was very healthy, very tasty, and it was completely nutritious when we have added in our breakfast. So this was it. We are going to eat this with toast. You can eat with chapatis or paratas or rice, whatever is available. Or you can go for a simple bread also, with bread or anything along with tea or coffee. This is the better option and a better breakfast recipe. Very delicious, very tasty, and very satisfactory to work whole day long and be happy all the day.